This video is an easy guide on how to create Etsy variations. I'll show you how to create variations from scratch, and I'll also show you a copy of my existing listing so you can see how it looks once it's published. For my product, I have different sizes and designs. To create variations, first click Add Variations. Etsy will suggest some options, but since sizes and designs aren't listed, we'll just create our own. And by the way, this is when you add listing. You'll see it in the options, the variations. Then type the name of the variation, in this case, sizes, and then add the sizes you offer. Next, let's create another variation called designs, since we have different designs available for each size. For this part, click Link Photos. Remember, you can only link photos to one variation, either sizes or designs. Since my product prices vary depending on both size and designs, I'll choose sizes and designs. For the processing profile, just select both variations and apply. Now, Etsy will show you the variation with price and processing profile options. Enter the price for each product, and if you don't have a processing profile yet, simply create a new one. Once you've filled in all the information, continue with your listing and publish. This is how it should look like once it's live. Buyers can select their size and then choose a design for that size. And the prices will vary too. It depends on the sizes and the designs they choose. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll answer as best as I can. Please like this video if it was helpful and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.